Hello and welcome back to our English learning course for beginners. This is lesson 14, and today's topic is something very important. Going to the doctor, talking about health in English. At some point in life, we all need to visit a doctor, whether it's for a checkup, a cold, or something more serious. If you travel, live, or study abroad, you must know how to describe your symptoms in English. Understand the doctor's advice, ask about medicine, prescriptions, and treatment. Make an appointment. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident speaking about health in English. Let's begin. 2. Vocabulary. Health and doctors visit a common health problems. Cold, flu, I have a cold. Fever, I have a high temperature. Headache, my head hurts. Stomachache, I have stomach pain. Toothache, my tooth hurts. Sore throat, it hurts when I swallow. Cough, I have a bad cough. Back pain, my back hurts. Allergy, I am allergic to peanuts. Injury, I hurt my leg. Be doctor and hospital. Vocabulary. Appointment, meeting with the doctor. Clinic, small medical center. Prescription, doctor's note for medicine. Pharmacy, drugstore, place to buy medicine. Checkup, regular examination. Symptoms, signs of illness. Treatment, care for illness. Emergency, urgent situation. See useful words: medicine, pills, tablets, syrup. Rest, take it easy. Relax, exercise, physical activity, healthy, unhealthy diet, food you eat. Operation, surgery, medical procedure. 3. Key phrases for doctors. Visit 10 minutes. A. Making an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith. When is the earliest available time? Do you have any openings today? I need to see a doctor as soon as possible. Be explaining symptoms. I have a headache. My throat is sore. I feel dizzy. I've been coughing for 3 days. I think I have a fever. Structure, I have plus problem, or I feel plus adjective. Examples, I have stomach pain. I feel weak. See asking for help. What should I do? Is it serious? Do I need medicine? How long will it take to get better? Can I go back to work? School? D. Doctor's advice. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Drink plenty of water. Get some rest. You need a blood test. Come back in a week if it doesn't improve. E. At the pharmacy, I have a prescription to fill. Do you have medicine for cough? Is this over the counter or prescription only? How often should I take this? Are there any side effects? 4. Dialogue practice. Here are realistic conversations you might have at the doctor's office. Dialogue 1. Making an appointment. Patient. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor. Receptionist. Sure. What seems to be the problem? Patient. I have a fever and a bad cough. Receptionist. Okay, the doctor is available at 3 p.m. today. Patient. That works, thank you. Dialogue 2. At the doctor's office. Doctor. Hello, how are you today? Patient. Not so good. I have a headache and sore throat. Doctor. How long have you had these symptoms? Patient. For about 3 days. Doctor. Do you have a fever? Patient. Yes. Last night it was 38.5 degrees Celsius. Doctor. Okay, it looks like you have the flu. I'll give you some medicine. Patient. Thank you, doctor. Dialogue 3. At the pharmacy. Customer. Hello, I need to buy cough syrup. Pharmacist. Do you have a prescription? Customer. No, just something over the counter. Pharmacist. Okay, here is one. Take 2 spoonfuls 3 times a day. Customer. Great, thank you. 5. Grammar tip. Using have and feel. Use have with specific health problems. I have a cold. I have a stomach ache. I have back pain. Use feel with general conditions. I feel sick. I feel tired. I feel dizzy. Use hurt for pain. My head hurts. My leg hurts. 6. Cultural notes in many countries. You must make an appointment before seeing a doctor. In emergencies, you can go to the emergency room directly. Always bring your ID, health card, or insurance if required. Doctors may not give medicine directly, they give you a prescription, and you take it to the pharmacy. Be polite, say thank you, doctor, and thanks for your help. 7. Practice exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. I, a headache. Have feel I, dizzy. Have feel my stomach. Hurts feels, I need to. An appointment, make do. Exercise 2. Match the problem to the advice. Headache gives take medicine and rest. Fever gives drink water and see a doctor. Sore throat gives drink warm tea. Toothache gives visit the dentist. Exercise 3. Role play. Student A. Patient gives describe your symptoms. Student B. Doctor gives give advice and prescribe medicine. Switch roles and repeat. 8. Summary and closing. Today, you learned vocabulary for health problems, cold, fever, headache, sore throat, etc. Phrases for making appointments, describing symptoms, and asking questions. Common doctor's advice in English. Pharmacy conversations and medicine vocabulary. Grammar. Have, feel, hurt. Excellent work. In the next lesson, Lesson 15, we will learn travel English at the airport. This will help you check in, go through security, ask about boarding, and find your gate. Keep practicing today's health phrases. Try writing a short paragraph about a time you felt sick and what you told the doctor. It's a great way to practice. See you in Lesson 15. Bye for now.